Hi there, it's Dr. David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the world's largest provider of regenerative therapies. We have over 80 centers throughout the United States, and we're offering a free exosomes. Yes, please. Yes, please. Now, what does this mean? So, exosomes, if you don't know, are byproducts of cells. And if this is a stem cell, exosomes are tiny, they're about that big, and they produce them. All cells produce them. We use the ones that come from stem cells, okay? So exosomes, and they're very helpful for reducing inflammation, bumping up growth activity for repair, regeneration with damaged tissues in the body. They're very, very helpful, and we typically use them together with stem cells. The stem cell and exosome combination is a very synergistic, that's a word, it's a handful, right? Now, when do you get them for free? All right, well, anyone in the United States who comes to one of our centers for treatment and gets over 50 million stem cells, we're going to give you 25 billion exosomes for free. Okay? And all you have to do is mention to the concierge, you get a dedicated concierge, that you saw me in the free exosome video, and they'll add that on at no charge to your treatment recommendation. Now, you may already be getting some exosomes in your treatment recommendation. This is not included. This will be extra for free, or it'll be added on top of that. And you can discuss with your treating provider, a consultant, how those are going to be given to you. You can pick sort of the best opportunity. Now, in addition to, let me free up some space here. In addition to the free exosomes, we also have other freebies that patients love and bring a lot of additional value. Let's use green. We offer free PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma therapy. It works fantastic with injections of stem cells and exosomes. We call that the regenerative trifecta. And you also get a free multivitamin, which we feel strongly in. That helps with amping up your body's ability to activate those stem cells. So all of this stuff, the free exosomes, the free PRP, the free multivitamin, has a very large value. It's over $2,000, but it's something, as the world's largest provider, we can do to help increase your value and increase your return on investment. All right? Yes, please. Free. Call us today at, let's go back to blue, 844 Get STEM. We'll set you up with a free consultation so that you and a loved one can see if you're a candidate for one of these revolutionary regenerative procedures nationwide. Thank you.